So now I take application button and select new, and I want to make new part, so I select isometric part. I use Autodesk modeling system and select base reference planes. And if we look this picture, or actually this one is better, and I can start here. So I create first this 50 mm diameter cylinder, which length is 100. Then I create next cylinder, which thickness is 50 and diameter is 100, and next one diameter is 50 and it's 150 high. So I take extrude command and select top XY plane, and I take circle by center point, give diameter 50 and click middle point here, like this. Close sketch and give distance 100 and select side for material, like this, and finish. Actually, if I want to make parametric model, I forgot to put that dimension here. So how can I fix it? Well, I take protrusion and I select edit profile and give smart dimension and close sketch. So now you can see that I have both dimensions here, diameter and length. Okay. Then next one, extrude, and I select this plane, and now I select circle by center point, middle point, and give dimension and close sketch. 50 and last one, extrude top plane, circle by center point, smart dimension 50. Actually, I already clicked that right place because now it's recognized this shape. If you are exactly on same diameter, it's just lock this radius or diameter. Okay. Close sketch and 150 and up and finish. So I want to create chamfer to these corners here. And how can I do that? where you can find chamfer? First, it's under this round feature, so here you can see this little black diagonal. Just click here and you can open this menu, and here you can find chamfer. Take chamfer and click this edge. If value is same, you can select all those edges. Setback is 3 mm and accept and finish. So you will get 4 chamfer. Okay. And after that you can also create rounds. If you take round, you can select this one and this one, and radius value is 4 mm, 4 and accept. But when you use this round feature, you have to click this preview, click and finish, click. So now it's ready. Here is round feature, and here you can find chamfer features. Okay. If you want to create hole, it's possible that you just use cut and make circle and cut material off. But actually, if you want to make a thread hole, here is feature for that one, hole feature. And how hole feature works, so I take this hole feature, click, and after that I can take here hole options. So this is form where I can fill all information what kind of hole I want to do. So I click this hole options, and here I can select that I want to make a red hole like this, and here I can select standard and size. So well, I want to create a thread hole. Thread size is M16, and then I select here that find extent, and this hole depth is 25 mm. M16, find extent 25, and I want that it is bottom angle. So you know that if you drill some hole, that drill tip is not flat, there are sharp corner like this one. Okay, so I can click this one here, where bottom angle, and actually this is standard metal drill tip angle, 118 degrees. And here I can set that hole depth is full diameter. Okay. After that, I just click OK and select this plane and click that hole, and it's ready. Of course, I have to close sketch and select sides down and finish. Actually, I make little mistake. You can see that now there is no threads. So if I take this hole again and go to edit definition and select this form, I have to give information here to whole extent, find extent. Now this whole depth is 25. If I want to set that thread is 20, I can add here 20 millimeter and OK. So now you can see that this depth, whole depth is 25 and this thread depth is 20. OK, I can repeat that one to this end. I make it again. So I take hole and hole options. I select thread and give red side M16, standard thread side M16, find extent hole depth 25. We bottom angle and find extent 20 and OK. I select surface and select hole location in the middle of that shaft, like this. Close sketch and it's ready. Finish. I can show to you this thread if I cut this part. You will see that this is the results. Okay.